Sound of a jet engine powering up. Welcome back to the channel, Speed Addicts and Future Legends. Today, forget everything you know about hypercars, because what you're about to see doesn't just challenge reality, it obliterates it. Imagine a machine that looks like a stealth fighter, accelerates like a missile, and feels less like transportation, and more like classified military technology. This is not a review, this is a briefing. Welcome to the 2026 Phantom concept, the hypercar that refuses to be ordinary. Stick till the end, because what you're about to witness might just be the most extreme evolution of speed we've ever seen. This machine isn't styled, it's weaponized. Its front end is razor-sharp and dangerously low, sculpted to not simply slice through air, but stab it like a supersonic blade. The headlights, not just LEDs, more like laser optics, scanning the road ahead like a targeting system. Active aero panels shift and react like the wings of a fighter jet preparing for takeoff. Every vent, curve, and edge exists for a reason. Nothing is decorative, everything is tactical. From the side, it looks less like a car and more like it escaped a high-security hangar at 3 a.m. Carbon fiber bodywork stretches aggressively across its frame. And the doors, they don't open politely. They strike upward like launch bay doors, clearing space for missiles. Color options, not flashy, but fearsome. Matte tactical black, stealth gray, ballistic silver. These finishes don't shine. They absorb light. In daylight, it blends in. At night, it disappears. Move to the back, and the intimidation level skyrockets. Quad exhausts burst like afterburners from a jet engine. A spike diffuser and active wings deploy under pressure, almost like the vehicle itself senses danger. The taillights, thin red slashes of light, looking more like tracer rounds ripping through the darkness. Forged carbon wheels to 21 inches at the front, 22 at the rear, lock into Pirelli Stealth compound tires, gripping asphalt with the force of a jet landing on an aircraft carrier. It doesn't just hold onto the road, it clings to it. At its core sits a 6.5-liter mid-mounted V12, supported by 3 electric motors, combining into an outrageous 1,500 horsepower. But make no mistake, this isn't hybrid for efficiency. This is hybrid for total domination, 0 to 60 miles per hour. Around 2 seconds flat, top speed, well north of 230 miles per hour. It doesn't accelerate, it vanishes. Each gear shift feels like you're being launched off an aircraft carrier. One blink, and you're gone. Torque vectoring, rear wheel steering, military-grade suspension. This machine doesn't turn, it redirects trajectories. It doesn't grip the road, it eliminates it. Step inside, and you won't feel like a driver, you'll feel like a pilot cleared for liftoff. Digital HUD projections, jet-inspired toggles. Triple screen monitoring for battery, telemetry, and drivetrain performance. Even the floor looks like the surface of an aircraft hangar. Carbon seats lock you in. Alcantara wraps every command surface. Titanium paddle shifters await launch. This isn't luxury, it's tactical control. At idle, a deep, ominous growl. At redline, a sonic boom, tearing through the atmosphere with violent precision. This isn't exhaust noise. This is psychological warfare. You don't simply hear this car, you feel it in your bones. Many cars are built to impress, some to compete, but this was built to haunt memory. It doesn't want to be liked, it doesn't need approval. Its purpose is to prove what happens when human ambition and mechanical force collide, without compromise. The 2026 Phantom concept isn't just a vehicle, it's a warning. If this machine blew your mind, hit that like button so the algorithm knows we're serious about speed. Drop a comment, would you dare drive this beast? And if you're new here, subscribe and join the squad of speed seekers, because this is just the beginning. Until next time, stay fast, stay fearless, and never settle for ordinary. Mission complete.